In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to use outcome thresholds to display the right recommendations based on user scores or values. Outcome thresholds help you personalize results automatically, so every user sees an outcome that actually matches their inputs. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll land on your Outgrow dashboard. Inside the Build tab, start adding your questions. Next, go to the Outcomes tab inside the Builder. This is where you define what result a user sees based on their total score. Click Add Outcome to begin setting up your thresholds. Inside the question settings, scroll down to the Map to Outcome section on the left panel. Here, you'll see multiple outcomes, such as the Savvy Saver, the Balanced Budgeter, the Investing Enthusiast, the Debt Tackler, the Long-Term Planner, and more. Repeat this process for each question and its answer until the question is correctly contributing to the right outcome thresholds. Outgrow automatically calculates the user's score and shows the matching result. For every outcome, you can add personalized headline, short description, and many more. This ensures each user receives guidance that fits their level or intent. Click Preview to test your experience. Try different answer combinations to make sure. Scores calculate correctly. Thresholds trigger the right outcomes. Recommendations align with the user profile. Make adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good, click Publish. You can now embed it on your website, share it via link, use it for lead qualification and personalization. That's it. You now know how to use outcome thresholds in Outgrow to show the right recommendations automatically and create smarter, more personalized experiences. Sign up to try it now.